20 local fishes found in Goa. Which fish is famous in Goa? This is the topic Vishoy of our today's video. Estando friends, today's video is about the most common fishes found in Goa and what these fishes are called in Konkani. I am from Shashti, that is Salsette of Goa. So I have the fishes names as what they are commonly called in Salsette. In the north of Goa, that is in Bardez, they will have different names. Let me know what these fishes are called at your place. Let's have plenty of answers in the comment section of this video. It will be fun, and who knows, I can make another separate video based on your answers, right? Now let's come to the point. Goans are a lover of fish and seafood, and it plays a major role in their daily diet besides being the cultural factors. Today in this video I am going to name the 20 local fishes found in Goa for your knowledge. But before that, let us understand a little more as why Goa has abundant of fish and why there is so much demand for fish in Goa. Now, geography-wise, Goa is located on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea, which means that it has access to large and rich fishing ground. Climate-wise, Goa has a tropical climate with warm waters year-round that is ideal for fish for breeding and its growth. Coming to habitat, Goa has a variety of marine habitats including mangrove swarms, estuaries and coral reefs, which means these habitats provides food and shelter for a wide variety of fish. Now, Goa also has a long history of sustainable fishing practices. Goa government has implemented various regulations to protect fish stocks in particular. Goa government has banned fishing during the monsoon season for a certain period. With abundance of fish availability in Goa, the state's fishing industry is one of the major sources of employment and income for the local community. With all the above factors, Goa is one of the most popular destinations in India for seafood lovers. Herein added the 20 local fishes found in Goa, which are translated in English to Konkani with images for easy identifications. Tor ho video ami ata suru koruya. Bombay duck, in Konkani we call them bombil. Mullet, in Konkani we call them shewto. Giant sea perch, that is tonok in Konkani. Grey mullet, that is called sangot in Konkani. Hilsa lisha, oh the small ones, pedio. Indian salmon, ravans. Kingfish, we call them swan in Konkani. Ladyfish, muddoshi. Next one, lemon fish, morso. Next one, mackerel, the most common fish. Every year you can find them in Goa almost. Bangro. Mussels, shinalio. Naked fish, buranto. Pomfret, that is pamphlet. Prawns, sungta. Red snapper, thamus. Ribbon fish, bale. Sardines, talle, shark, mori, shrimps, galmo, and the last one, squids, manki. In conclusion, there are several reasons why there is so much fish found in Goa. In short, it is due to favorable geography, climate, and habitat, as well as its sustainable fishing practices, which the Goa government is strict about. Besides, Goans are very fond of fish, hence there is a wide variety of fish species. Goa is one of the most popular destinations in India for seafood lovers. Tourists flow to Goa mainly for seafood. Soplo, oj, ha video itlian soplo. Alik video how wagging घेऊन येतलो. We will meet soon. Take care, my friends. Bye bye.